Kung may panot ka na marumi sa mata mo, yung puso mo maging marumi. And if your heart become dirty, you are a dirty person. Ikaw na marumi. Dahil yung panot ka na marumi sa mata mo, puso mo maging marumi. Kung puso mo marumi, ikaw din marumi na yun. So wag na panot ng marumi. Like example, today is the cell phone and mobile and cable TV, Netflix, YouTube. There is so many, Facebook, so many bad things, dirty, filthy things. Allah said in the Quran, I read in the surah, the number one thing Shaitan commands you, fahash. Fahash means shamelessness. And then munkar, then evil. And the fahash is also evil, but Allah mentioned it separately. Because today is the word, today the word is the word of shamelessness, fahash. Too much fahash. Every people are having mobile. Sometimes you are watching even lecture. Kahit you are watching lecture, something dirty comes out, pop out. While you are watching lecture, very bad advertising is coming out. And that is fitna, subok. What you do, don't look at. Don't look at the dirty. Because when you see the dirty, kung panot ka na marumi, pasok dito sa puso. When you see the dirty with your eyes, it will directly go to your heart and your heart will become dirty. Then you will not like to make salah. Your salah will be not powerful. Your iman will be tempered. There is very big problem. Watching dirty with your eyes, you become dirty person. Marumi ka. Don't watch anything dirty with your eyes. The last Friday, I meet the secretary of the NCMF. Wala siyang smartphone. He has only old phone, yung 500, 1,000 pesos phone only. Walang smartphone. Sabi niya, ayaw niya smartphone dahil fitna. Very good example. He don't like to use the smartphone. He say smartphone is fitna. There is so much evil there sometimes. It is like the temptation of Shaitan. So cell phone, that media, the TV, it is so much fitna. When you are looking, you be careful that you only look the clean. Don't look dirty. When there is something dirty, change it. Always hold the remote. If you watch TV, remote. Kung there is something not good, change it. Don't look at the dirty. When you're going in the streets and there are lots of women wearing very bad clothes, don't look at them. Because if you look them, you will be put in fitna. Your mind, your heart, your spirit, yung kaluluwa mo maging marumi. Don't look at the dirty things.